Hello, welcome back to the channel and thank you very much for coming back. Here is all about kids natural hair, so subscribe to the channel and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this cute and simple little girl hairstyle with beads on NaaCurls hair. Before you begin, make sure the hair is well moisturized and she's comfortable. In fact, today Naa was not having it. I found it very difficult, but we'll make it work. Begin by parting the hair into two sections from ear to ear.
I get lost sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind.
You have the two sections, you section the back into two as well, making the whole ponytails or the whole sections 3. When you get your 3 sections, you have to put each section into a ponytail. I apply gel and then I use my detangling brush to smooth the hair down in order to be able to get the perfect ponytail. With the front ponytail, I made it fall on her right because I think that's what will look better on her. But then you can decide to make it fall on the left or in the middle, depending on the look you are going for. You then go ahead to put in your braid. Make sure the size of your braid can fit into the beads that you'll be using on her hair. How you can do this is that after one braid, you check if it's able to fit into your bead before you continue braiding. If you are enjoying this video so far, please show Naa some love by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. I ended up getting 7 braids for the front and 5 braids each for the back. Now to the beads. I used the crochet hook to apply the beads. You put the number of beads you want to apply to each braid onto the crochet pin. Then you use the crochet loop to hook the tip of the braid and slide it through the beads. To secure it, you push the last bead down and put the tip of the hair around it and secure it with a rubber band. In fact, Naa was not having it at all, so she had to put her head on me to be able to go through the process. I'll let you watch another demonstration of the bead so that you can get it a little bit more.
Sometimes and I can't seem to find a light between the walls I built for myself right in my mind. And then you came over and you showed me.
After applying all your beads, then voila! Simple and cute little girl hairstyle. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please like, comment and share our video to support us. Thank you very much and we'll see you in our next video.